discussed about how can you open a new URL in a new window, or can say a new tab. So while coming to this execution, so the new tab will be taken as a new window. Okay, so here using this driver.execute script. So if you use the driver.execute script, so you can use it for multiple times, so there will be no issues. So here comes a hierarchy now. So first I would like to go to Google. So after that it will open a new window called Amazon. So after getting this Amazon, I would like to switch the window called Google. So after switching this window, so again I would like to get back to Amazon. So here I am not using this URLs method, okay, but I am using here handling multiple windows. So if I use multiple URLs method, so it will open open in single window. It will open in single window, right? It will open in single window, but here multiple, so I can say one more than one, right? So I can say multiple windows is there. So multiple windows is there. Okay, so we'll get back to know multiple windows is there. So I will make it in comment. So these are hierarchy now. So I'll give multi-line comments. So here also I'd like to give multi-line comments, and so these are hierarchy. So first we up to that we are clear, right? So here we are going to switch the window now. So we are going to switching the window. So switch the window called, so what is the window name? So I would like to give the window name called so I'd like to call the window called driver dot window handle deal. So first one is, so it always starts with 0. So inside that again I would like to get back the URL called, so then only you can easily understand. I'm going to get back the URL called www dot I'll give this time bing.com. okay, so inside that, so I would like to get the bing.com. so after getting this, so again I would like to I would like to switch the window, right? So I would like to switch the window to driver dot window handles. Okay, so window handles. So I'd like to go to 1. So after getting to first window, so I would like to get to one more URL called http www. What the ask.com. I would like to get it. So here print, I will like to give the print statement called print Bing is opened in first window, and here I would like to give a print statement called ask is opened in second window. Okay, so here clearly you need to observe, then only you can easily understand. So these are hierarchy. Okay, so I'm going to run this program. So we'll click on Python run unit test, click on OK. Need to observe clearly, then only you can easily understand. So first Google is opened. So after that it is navigated to Bing. So after that it is navigated to Amazon. So inside that it is navigated to ask.com. So that's it. Here I had handled two windows. Okay, so first window this one, and second is this one. So for and again it is navigated to here. So it is navigated to Amazon and it is navigated to ask.com. So if you want, I can switch this window called it can give two. These are second window. So we'll run this program once again. So for your understanding purpose, so I would like to get back to one more here. So I will give one more command called driver.execute script. So here I am going to open the window, right? So I would like to open one more window here. So window.open, and I will give the URL called http www. So I will give one website called automationbeginners.tk. okay, so automationbeginners.tk is a website. So I would like to switch to new window. I would like to switch in new window, right? So I would like to switch in new window, and I would like to close it here. And after that I would like to print one statement I would like to print the statement automation beginners is opened. Stay connected. Stay connected to this website. Okay, so I'd like to open the statement called this statement. So after that, again I would like to switch the window. Okay, so again I would like to switch the window called. So I would like to switch the driver dot window handle switch to which window I would like to go to. Again I would like to get back to 0. Okay, so 0. Okay, I would like to get back to 0. So it will open a new window. So the URL will be opened. So automatically, so first window will be, we switch to first window. Up to here we had switched to first window. So I will give a hierarchy here. First Google. Okay, so inside that it is switch to Amazon. Okay, after Amazon it will get back to Google, and it is navigated to which website called Bing. It is navigated to Bing. After that it is gets to Amazon, and after that it gets to ask. That's it. So this is a hierarchy of the last program, so which we had executed. So inside this only we are going to execute now. Inside this only we are going to execute. We'll get to know clearly now. Okay, so these are multiple windows handling. So I'd like to cover in a single window, then only you can easily understand. So I'm going to run as Python unit test. Click on OK. You need to observe clearly, then only you can easily understand. So I had given the hierarchy to how it will work. So Google, so Bing, it will navigate to Amazon. Ask, and it's in this window only it is navigated to automationbeginners.tk, and it is navigated to Bing. That's it. So you can clearly observe, right? So this is the first, and this is the 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, so you can clearly see. So I had given this first window only. So if I want to switch the window, okay, so if I want to switch the window, you can see here. So inside that I had given, so I would like to switch the window. Driver dot get, I would like to get the one more URL called http. Again I would like to get the same website. So automationbeginners.tk. okay, so I would like to get this URL, and I would like to switch the window. I'd like to switch the window to driver dot window handles to, I would like to switch to second window. So I would like to go to second window now. Okay, so I'd like to remove this. So because you'll get to know the output now. So you can clearly observe. So inside this only I had given the same URL here also and here also. I would like to switch to the last window, so which will appear in this next new window will be opened. So you can clearly observe. Click on OK. Is opened. Stay connected to this website. I had given the print statement, so no worries in that. So you can clearly observe. First Google is opened, so inside this only Bing is opened, so Amazon is opened here. Ask is open. Now inside this automation beginners is opened. Yes, it got an error. So I did make some mistake here. So I'd like to give it in 1. So 0 1 1, and next one will be 2. Okay, for your understand purpose I will give one more window here. So driver dot switch window, driver dot window handles. So this is one first window, right? So I would like to shift to second window here. So inside that also I'd like to get this URL. So I will remove this URL now, so it will be better for us. So 0 0 1 and 1 2. Okay, we'll run this program now, so we'll get to know what is the output. Click on OK. Bing, Amazon, Ask. Inside this only it is navigated to automation beginners. Yes, that's it. I'll get an issue. So actually I would like to open one more window here. Okay, so I had given 0, 1, right? So I had given here 1, 2. So I will give 1 only here. Okay, 1, 1. Because we are handling 2 windows only. So if you want multiple windows, so you can use the script and you can write your own script, then only you can easily understand. So if I show you 4 windows, 5 windows, if I open for you, so you won't practice. Simply you will just copy this code and you'll paste it to your Eclipse IDE and you will do the same. So I'm doing with the task. If you can't find the code, so you can't switch the windows like this. So if you get any errors, so stay connected to that website. So I will revert you back that code. So if you want, I'd like to handle only 2 windows here. So that's my requirement here. Okay. So if you want, you can try this. So here also you can open one more window and you can navigate to one more URL. So again you need to get back to this switch window and again you get to get back to this switch window and again you can get back to this switch window. So try this. So if you not connected means, so get back to this website and check the video. Thanks for watching. In next video, so we'll see how much we have completed till now. We'll move to this course. Okay, till now we have completed. So Facebook example is done, Gmail is done, navigating URLs also is done. So handling web pages, all the elements we had discussed. So yes, handling windows, this is also done, and multiple windows. Yes, this is also done. So handling windows, handling multiple windows will be same. So one topic is remaining. So that is action classes. So this drag and drops, all the things you are getting to know. So what is in the action classes means? So by using action classes, action chains, and we can perform drag and drop operations. So in any website, so you can do a drag and drop operation. So using any web applications, if there is any functions for drag and drop, you can do drag and drops by using action chains. So here this is the basic example. So this is the first element and I would like to drop it here. I would like to drop it in this drop element. So first, as usual, so we need to select this inspect element. So go to inspect element, place a cursor. So you need to, while working with action chains, so we need to know about this frames too, because some elements may fix in frames. What is a frame means? So actually it is a frame. So you can see this class name. So you can clearly see this. So it is a demo frame. So inside that these elements is present. So you need to go with frames too. Frames in the sense which we had discussed about Windows, right? So driver dot switch windows, all the things we had discussed in previous video. Frames means, so it is similar to Windows. So first, if there is no frame element here, so directly you can give driver dot switch frame to 0. So automatically it will initialize it from 0th frame. So automatically it will take as 0. So inside that we are going to call these elements. Okay, so first I will place it here. So you can see this ID. ID is draggable. What is this ID? And we'll go to this ID means it isn't droppable. Okay, so drag and drop we are going to perform here. So you'll move to Eclipse. Had already created one package called project called action classes Python. So inside that I had created one package. Inside that I had created one Python module file. So here I am working with Google Chrome only. So I had working with Google Chrome and I had given the path to, and I had given this URL to. Directly I had given this URL. So here you can see this. So this statement is imported for action chains. So I will show you, don't worry about that. So first, after getting to this website, so we need to give the implicit wait. So up to we can wait for 3 seconds. So after that we can go to driver dot switch to frame. Okay, frame. So driver dot switch to window name, right? So we had worked with Windows. So here we are going to work with frames. So you can give the frame 0. So directly you can give the frame. So here we are going to work with action chains, right? So action chains, there is a 2 elements called source. Source is equals to what is that source? So which one you are dragging, right? So driver dot find element by ID. So what is that ID means? you will get to know. So what is that id? Id is draggable. First one is I will copy this. Okay, I will copy these elements because it's a case sensitive. So I will copy this name and I will paste it here. And which place? So I would select as droppable means I would select as target. So driver dot find element by id. So it is droppable. Okay, so I will select this and I will copy it and paste it here. And I will paste it here. So we are going to working with action chains, right? So for doing action chains, we need to write a statements called action chains. And here we need to passing our driver, and we are going to perform drag and drop. So here you can see once you pass the driver inside the action classes, so you can see the list of operations which we can perform. So we can perform click and hold. So we can click down the context. We can perform double click operations. We are going to perform drag and drop. We are going to perform drag and drop by offset, in the sense we can set this browser length and window width, all we can be set. So move the elements. So all these elements we can be performed here. So you can go through with drag and drop, right? So drag and drop. So after giving this statement, so you need to give a statement called not here. So after this, come out of the statement. So finally you need to give a statement called perform. So we need to perform here drag and drop. So we'll give the statement, one print statement called drag and drop basic example is completed. So after completing this, so I had given the statement called drag and drop basic example is completed. So if you have if you know this basic about if you have basic idea about this drag and drop, so we can go through with other websites too, which allows the perform drag and drop operations. You can go through with Facebook too, all the things you can do. So I'm going to run this Python in a test. Click on OK. It will take some time, depends on your net speed. It will work. First, it will be navigated to jQuery UI droppable. Okay, so here, yes, you can clearly observe. So the drag and drop is performed. So drag and drop is performed here. So that's it. So it's a basic example. So if you have an idea about this, so you can do similar examples too. If you have any websites you are facing any problems, you cannot perform drag and drop operations. So please connect it to that website which I had said you, right? automationbeginners.tk. So I will be sending you code. So if you want any code, so if you are working with any website you are going any errors, so please contact there. I will give the information. So how can you solve this issue?